We've realized that the true problem, the true difficulty, and where the greatest potential is building the machine that makes the machine. In other words, building the factory. And really thinking of the factory like a product. I actually think that the potential for improvement in the machine that makes the machine is a factor of 10 greater than the potential on the car side. I think maybe more than a factor of 10.
With one factory, achieve what maybe 5 or even 10 factories would normally be required to achieve.
Or even 10 factories.
With one factory, achieve what maybe 5 or even 10 factories would normally be required to achieve. Tesla will be absolutely head and shoulders above anyone else in manufacturing. That is our goal.
We've realized that the true problem, the true difficulty, and where the greatest potential is building the machine that makes the machine. In other words, building the factory. And really thinking of the factory like a product. Not sort of a hodgepodge of things that are bought, where the machines are kind of bought from a catalog. But actually, just like we do with the car, we're going to try to create a car by ordering a bunch of things off a catalog. We design the car the way it should be, and then we make, either we or with working with suppliers, make all of those individual components. And there's almost nothing in a Model S that's in any other car. And I think the same approach is the right approach to take when building the machine maker, the factory. I actually think that the potential for improvement in the machine that makes the machine is a factor of 10 greater than the potential on the car side. I think maybe more than a factor of 10. And I've really come to appreciate that, over the last 2-3 months in particular, when I've sort of just been on the production floor all the time and sort of seeing things, running production personally at a detailed level. I don't even have a desk or an office anymore. I'm just basically standing on the production floor and occasionally meeting in a conference room. And it's like, wow. I do my favorite thing, which is apply physics first principles. It's like the best tool possible. And it's like wow. When you think of a production facility on a fundamental level, for a given size of factory, the output is going to be volume times density times velocity. So then let's sort of look at our factory and say, okay, what is the density of useful to non-useful volume? It's crazy low. It's like 2 or 3%. If you look at volumetrically, not just on a planar level, but volumetrically, it's literally 2 or 3%. Likely maybe as much as an order of magnitude improvement in density possible as well, going from maybe 2 or 3% to 20 or 30% of the volumetric density being optimal. And you can also think of it like the design of a modern system on a chip or a computer. And you say, if you look at, say, the clump complexity of the board, and you see how close together the line traces are, and how focused things are on clock speed and data transfer from RAM to, say, a solid-state disk or the internal CPU cache. It's like, wow, there's crazy potential for improvement here.